Hi children, I'm Miss Lin. Today we're going to make a paper lantern. Now they are really easy to make and they can look really good when you hang it up. So now let's get started. What we need: A4 paper cards, glue stick, scissors, pencil and ruler, some pom-pom and sequin to decorate our lantern. Okay, so I'm going to take one A4 paper card, use a pencil and ruler to draw a line. Then we're going to use the scissors to cut it off the strip, and that will be the handle. So we will put that aside for now. And we fold our cards in half, like this. Now, wrap your pencil and ruler to draw a line like this. Then, we're going to do some nice long incision almost to the edge of the paper cards. We use the scissors to cut all the strip out. Then, once we have done, we fold it over like this. And then, we will use our glue stick to stick both sides. Just pop it down like this, and now we will wrap our handle and use glue to stick one side and the other side. And there we are. Now we can use pom-pom and sequin or anything you can find at home to decorate our lantern. Ta-da! Here are our lanterns. Children, I hope you enjoy making paper lanterns. Can you take a photo or video and send to your teacher? Thank you! So now, let's parade with our lantern!